Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So it is Christmas Eve and we are going to be doing a bunch of fun little crafts around the house. So I'm going to bring you along while we do all these fun crafts.
River, you ready?
Hold on.
Dad's not recording it.
Go.
No, he is.
I did it. I cracked it in half.
You're gonna break the rest. You're gonna break the rest. No.
I broke it.
All right, so we're all done with our gingerbread houses, our chicken coop gingerbreads. So the kids wanted to go ahead and do some sledding. It's a little bit warmer today. It's about 17 degrees. So I'm gonna let them do some sledding. And the boys, they want to do their annual angels, snow angels. So I'll let them do that as well. And then we'll go back inside and warm up.
Can you do them? Get your stuff here.
Sleds.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
All right, Josh, before you go that way, either go that way or go that way.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
How cold is it?
Forever.
Very good. You got it in my eye.
How cold is it?
Forever.
feel my foot anymore.
Forever.
Suicide is an option.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving
Oh yeah, push
this
off and go.
moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as
These
you
ladies farm to do
drive.
it next.
Do you know
Come on, Katie.
I'm looking?
Daddy might want to get out of the way.
Oh my god!
I turned around. Oh, that's so cold. Oh, that's so cold. Oh, it's in my eye. I can't feel the left side of my eye.
How does it feel?
That was fun. That was my first time ever doing that.
And probably the last.
I guess no angel right here.
It's so cold.
Okay.
See, I have a halo.
I can't feel my hand.
Alright, go inside and warm up.
My halo's bigger than yours. Jake, you couldn't do it. I got the sick wave.
Oh, so my foot is tired.
Grab the other sled.
Bring myself over. Yay.
I was also in town today, so I went ahead and stopped and picked up our mail from our P.O. box. And I got 3 letters here, so let's go inside and I'll open these up real quick. Merry Christmas! Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead today. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas with your family and friends. Thank you so much for all your continued love and support and for just coming along on our journey with us here on the homestead. I am truly thankful for every single one of you. So until next time friends, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.